Hi everyone, here's a quick video to show how you can talk to ChatGPT. To do this, you'll first need to go to the Chrome Web Store and download Talk to ChatGPT. There are a few other versions of this tool available, however I have found this one to work the best. After you have downloaded Talk to ChatGPT, you'll have the option to record your voice on the ChatGPT window. I'll show you how this looks when you open ChatGPT. So up here, you simply click the start button, start talking through your microphone, and your text will appear at the bottom here, enabling you to talk to ChatGPT. We'll now jump over to the demo. I'll now show you a live demo of how to install the add-in and use the Talk to ChatGPT function. So first go to your Google Chrome Web Store and search in the extensions Talk to ChatGPT. As you can see, we do have a few different options here, but from my testing, I found this top one to be the best, the Talk to ChatGPT one. I already have this installed, but you'll just need to click the install button once you open this prompt. So as you can see on the ChatGPT screen, we have this box up here that has a few different options. In order to record our voice, we simply have to click the microphone button twice. So if I click this twice and then say hello, we will see hello appear in the ChatGPT screen. So let's test that. Hello. How are you? So as you can see, we're now able to talk to our ChatGPT. Now let's ask it a very technical question, maybe something related to Excel or Power BI. So let's maybe ask it how to calculate the difference between two dates for a Power BI measure. Please tell me a measure to calculate the difference between two dates in Power BI. As we can see, we can now talk to ChatGPT and ask it any question we want, and it will provide us a good answer. Hope you found this useful. What data problem are you trying to solve? Please let us know in the comments and we'll be happy to help.